the no one seed that you should eat regularly to change your health forever. If there's one food that you can start eating right now that will completely change the way you feel, it's the humble chia seed. There are so many incredible benefits of these tiny seeds, and when we start incorporating them into our daily diets, they can truly transform our lives in ways that we never expected. These seeds are packed with nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats. They're super easy to add to your diet, and they may just be the missing piece that you've been looking for to improve your overall health. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Here today, we'll be diving into the amazing benefits of adding chia seeds to your daily diet. We understand how important it is to find natural and effective ways to boost our health. So let's get started. Chia seeds are small, round seeds that come from the Salvia hispanica plant. They're often used in traditional medicine for their potential health benefits. Despite their size, these seeds are packed with essential nutrients such as dietary fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and various minerals. By incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet, you can harness these nutrients and experience a range of positive effects on your body and mind. One of the most significant benefits of chia seeds is their high content of dietary fiber. This fiber helps to promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. When consumed, the seeds absorb water and expand in the stomach, which helps to stimulate bowel movements and facilitate the passage of food through the digestive system. Additionally, the soluble fiber in chia seeds acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria and maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. A well-functioning digestive system is crucial for overall health, and chia seeds can play a significant role in achieving this. Another key benefit of chia seeds is their high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation in the body. The omega-3s found in chia seeds have been linked to improved cognitive function, a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, and a healthier immune system. By including chia seeds in your diet, you can increase your intake of these important nutrients and support various bodily functions. In addition to their nutritional value, chia seeds also offer a number of other potential health benefits. They're renowned for their ability to help with weight management by providing a feeling of fullness and reducing appetite. The high fiber content in chia seeds can aid in this by slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates and promoting a sense of satiety. This can lead to reduced calorie intake and ultimately support weight loss goals. Furthermore, chia seeds have been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to improve their metabolic health. The fiber and healthy fats in chia seeds can help stabilize blood sugar spikes, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. To reap the full benefits of chia seeds, it's essential to incorporate them into your daily diet correctly. One of the simplest ways to do this is by adding chia seeds to smoothies. This allows you to easily blend the seeds into a creamy consistency, while also combining them with other nutritious ingredients like fruits, vegetables, and yogurt. For example, a smoothie made with chia seeds, banana, spinach, and almond milk can provide a nutrient-dense breakfast or snack that supports digestion, energy levels, and overall health. Another popular method of consuming chia seeds is by making chia pudding. This involves soaking chia seeds in liquid, often milk or yogurt, and allowing them to set up in the refrigerator overnight. The result is a delicious, creamy pudding that can be topped with fruits, nuts, or honey for added flavor and nutrition. Chia pudding is not only visually appealing, but also offers a convenient and nutritious meal option. It's perfect for those looking to start their day with a healthy breakfast that will keep them feeling full and satisfied. For those who prefer savory dishes, chia seeds can also be incorporated into salads. Adding chia seeds to your salads provides a nutty flavor and additional texture. They can be sprinkled on top of leafy greens, vegetables, and protein sources like grilled chicken or tofu to create a balanced meal. Choose a light vinaigrette or lemon juice as the dressing to further enhance the flavor and health benefits of the salad. Consuming chia seeds in this way can help improve digestion, support heart health, and provide a nutrient-rich addition to your diet. In addition to smoothies, chia pudding, and salads, chia seeds can be used in a variety of recipes to add fiber and nutrients to your meals. They can be ground into a flour and used in baking, creating gluten-free options for those with dietary restrictions. Chia seeds can also be mixed with ground flaxseed to make a nutritious egg substitute for vegan or vegetarian recipes. By experimenting with these different methods of incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can discover new flavors and textures while reaping the numerous health benefits they offer. It's important to note that while chia seeds offer numerous health benefits, they should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. The ideal amount of chia seeds to consume daily may vary depending on individual factors, such as age, sex, and overall health. However, a general guideline is to consume 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds daily. This can be divided among meals and snacks throughout the day to ensure optimal nutrient absorption. It's also essential to drink plenty of water throughout the day, especially when consuming chia seeds, as the fiber in the seeds can absorb water and expand in the stomach. Staying hydrated will help prevent any discomfort or digestive issues that may arise from consuming large amounts of chia seeds without sufficient water intake. Remember, chia seeds are just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to improving your overall health. While they offer numerous benefits, it's also important to maintain a balanced diet. Engage in regular physical activity and manage stress effectively. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine can complement a healthy lifestyle, enhancing your well-being and providing a natural way to support your body's needs. Whether you're a health enthusiast or simply looking to improve your diet, chia seeds are definitely worth giving a try. Their high content of fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and other essential nutrients makes them a valuable addition to your grocery list. From smoothies and chia pudding to salads and baked goods, there are plenty of delicious and convenient ways to incorporate chia seeds into your daily meals. So why wait? Start adding this superfood to your diet today and experience the incredible benefits it has to offer. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We would love to hear your thoughts and see your comments below. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and happy, and we'll see you in the next video. Now, since you're here, I know you're serious about your health, and you want to keep learning, which is why I've got an extra special treat for you. Check out this video over here, which is one of my top videos that people like you have loved. So good, I promise you won't regret it. If you're really serious about your health, make sure you subscribe. My mission is to help you become the healthiest version of yourself. So I'll see you in the next video. Figs are among the oldest cultivated crops in the world, dating back to ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, and Greece. They are not only delicious and nutritious, but also have a rich history of medicinal use. Figs are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help boost the immune system, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation. In this video, we'll be exploring the secret health benefits of figs, so you can unlock the amazing power of these tiny fruits. What are figs? Figs are the fruit of the fig tree, a species of tree in the Moraceae family. They come in a variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, ranging from small and green to large and purple. The fig fruit is actually made up of many flowers that are trapped inside a hollow cavity. When these flowers are pollinated, they develop into the seeds found in the fig. Figs can be eaten fresh, dried, or as a fig spread or jam. They can be used in salads, smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt or cereal. Dried figs are often chopped and used in baked goods such as cookies, cakes, and breads. Nutritional profile of figs. Figs are a good source of several essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6. They are also a good source of antioxidants, which are substances that protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to aging and disease. One medium-sized fig contains approximately 64 calories, 1 gram of protein, 17 grams of carbohydrates, and 2 grams of fiber. Figs are also a good source of several vitamins and minerals, including 10% of the recommended daily intake of calcium. Health benefits of figs. Now that we know what figs are and what nutrients they contain, let's dive into the health benefits they offer. No one. Boost the immune system. Figs are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help boost the immune system. Vitamin C, which is abundant in figs, is an essential nutrient that helps the body fight off infections and diseases. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Additionally, figs are a good source of other immune-boosting nutrients such as zinc, selenium, and iron. These nutrients help support the function of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and keeping the body healthy. No. 2. Support digestive health. Figs are a great source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining good digestive health. Fiber adds bulk to the stool and helps to keep things moving smoothly through the digestive tract. This can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Additionally, figs contain prebiotics, which are food for the beneficial bacteria in the gut. These bacteria are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. By providing fuel for these bacteria, figs can help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is important for overall digestive health. Furthermore, figs contain a compound called fig leaf extract, which has been shown to have laxative effects. This can be helpful for individuals who are experiencing constipation or other forms of sluggish digestion. However, it's important to note that figs should be consumed in moderation, as excessive consumption can lead to diarrhea or other unwanted side effects. No. 3. May help lower blood pressure. Figs may help lower blood pressure due to their high potassium content. Potassium is a natural diuretic, which means it can help eliminate excess salt from the body. This can help lower blood pressure by reducing the amount of fluid in the blood vessels, which in turn reduces the pressure on the artery walls. Additionally, figs are a good source of magnesium, which is a mineral that helps relax blood vessels. This can improve blood flow and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Furthermore, figs contain antioxidants that can help improve endothelial function. Endothelium lines the inner layer of blood vessels and plays a critical role in regulating blood flow and pressure. By improving endothelial function, figs can help maintain healthy blood pressure levels. No for may help control blood sugar levels. Despite their sweet taste, figs are actually a low glycemic index food, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. This is because figs are high in fiber, which slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This can help regulate insulin levels and prevent blood sugar spikes. Additionally, figs contain compounds that can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Some studies have also shown that figs may help prevent diabetic complications, such as kidney disease and neuropathy. Figs are rich in antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress, which is a contributing factor in the development of these complications. No. 5. May help reduce cholesterol levels. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that figs may help reduce cholesterol levels. As previously mentioned, figs are high in fiber, which can help bind to cholesterol in the digestive tract and prevent its absorption. This can lead to a reduction in total and LDL cholesterol levels. Additionally, figs contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a contributing factor in the development of heart disease and high cholesterol levels. By reducing inflammation, figs may indirectly help improve cholesterol levels. Number 6. May promote weight loss. Although they are relatively high in calories, figs may actually promote weight loss. This is because figs are high in fiber, which can help promote a feeling of fullness and satisfaction after eating. This can lead to reduced calorie intake and weight loss. Additionally, figs are a good source of prebiotics, which are food for the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Healthy gut microbiome has been linked to improved digestion and metabolism, both of which are important for maintaining a healthy weight. Number 7. May help fight cancer. While more research is needed, some test tube studies have shown that fig extracts may have anti-cancer properties. One study found that fig extracts were able to inhibit the growth of breast cancer cells. Another study found that fig extracts were able to induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in prostate cancer cells. While these studies are promising, it's important to note that more research is needed to determine whether these effects can be replicated in humans. How to eat figs. Figs can be eaten fresh, dried, or as a fig spread or jam. They can be added to salads, smoothies, or used as a topping for yogurt or cereal. If you are looking for a delicious and nutritious snack, try adding figs to your diet. You can enjoy them on their own, pair them with cheese or nuts, or use them as an ingredient in your favorite recipes. Are there any side effects to consuming figs? Figs are generally safe for most people to consume. However, there are a few potential side effects to be aware of. Figs are high in oxalates, which are compounds that can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Additionally, figs can cause an allergic reaction in people who are allergic to plants in the Moraceae family, such as figs, mulberries, and breadfruit. People with latex allergies are particularly at risk. Furthermore, consuming large quantities of figs can lead to diarrhea or other digestive issues due to their high fiber content. It's important to note that these side effects are rare. And figs are a nutritious and delicious addition to a balanced diet for most people. Conclusion: figs are a nutritious and delicious fruit that offer a variety of health benefits. From boosting the immune system to supporting digestive health, figs are a true superfood. Incorporating figs into your diet may be a simple yet effective way to improve your overall health and well-being. So why not give figs a try? Add them to your salads, smoothies, or enjoy them as a snack. Your body will thank you for it. Thank you for watching today's video on the secret health benefits of figs. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more informative content about natural health and wellness. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.